Hello everyone, today I'm gonna to introduce you how to use our digital ArcStar 250 machine. Now I'm using a 250M and about the 0.06 second welding time and 10 liters per minute argon flow. This is a aluminum car body from the Audi. This is a new torch head, but actually the operation is the same like the old one. This is a new support leg. We have a spring inside, so now the latest one, we need only one knot for tighten. And because it has the spring inside, so it's not so easy to get loose. The new head is smaller, so you can weld the washer one by one, more close each other. The first step, you must make sure you have right extension. You only need about 1 millimeter extension and 1.5 millimeter lifting length. And you can use another hand hold the torch, make sure it's reliable, stable in whole process. After welding, you should wait after flow finished and pull. After that, you can pull out. So let me try more aluminum key on it. The new head can allow you to put the keys in nano space. So you can use your hand to pull back the head to make sure the extension and pulling length is the right length you want. Remember it after post the gas, pulling out the head. So let's try to use some pulling tool to check it. Okay, you can see it's very strong, but I would suggest you, before you pulling it, you can do some heating on the car body. That will help you for the pulling the step. So now we have a small dent here. Let me try to use only one key for welding and pulling. Just like before, we have to check the extension and the lifting length. And after flow, take off your torch. Let's try some pulling. Okay, it's strong. Okay, so let's check what happened now. So it's flat now. And here is a big dent. We have to welding more keys. We can try from up to down or down to up. We have to find out the right lifting length. So you can see now we have to adjust the support leg to adjust the right extension. Okay, now the extension and lifting length is okay. We can try to pull back the torch head to check the lifting length. And I can use one finger to help the torch stable. About 1 millimeters extension and 1.5 lifting length. You can see we still have enough lifting length. Okay, so now let me try some bridge puller to pull the dent out. So now you can see how it works, and now it's totally flat.